Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, how are you today? I hope good and stay healthy in this pandemic COVID-19. My name is MULYANA from 12 Science 2 number 25. In this opportunity, I will tell you about how to make some snack in your free time. This is very simple and yummy. What is it? Yeah, this is Cimol. Okay, without further ado, let's get started! First, pour the prepared water into the teflon. And then add the minced garlic. Then stir briefly. Add 1 tablespoon tapioca starch. Then we turn on the small stove fire. And mix well until it is transparent or thick. Separate 2 tablespoons tapioca starch into a bowl. After that, pour the rest into the basin. Add the flour mixture that was made earlier. Stir and add the prepared kitchen spices. Make sure you wash your hands first. Sprinkle flour on the tray so the dough doesn't stick. Cut the dough into small pieces so that it's easy to shape. Then you can make all the dough into small balls. Put all the dough balls into the oil. Don't turn on the stove first, okay? Turn on the stove on low heat. Fry the cimol by stirring constantly. Drain if it's a bit hard. Add seasoning powder for a variety of different flavors. Easy, right? Hopefully useful, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.